Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Today is the video where I'm going to show you how I finished the details on the four-legged stool project. I got the legs all leveled off. I've got it, I'm going to put a couple coats of water locks on it, and I made the button for the bottom of the seat. So thanks for tuning in today, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thanks for tuning in today. So first things first, I needed to touch up the length of the legs, so I put some 80 grit sandpaper down on the table saw, and I spent about 2 minutes just getting this thing tuned in. I realized that my workbench is not flat, but my table saw is perfectly flat. So I had to work on that just a little bit, and hit this with about a 120 sandpaper just to smooth out any final little marks on there. Then I had to go after the legs. There was a little bit of glue left. I didn't get quite all of it. And I had a little filler there on that top side right there on those double beads. And yeah, not a problem. Just, yeah, this is just the finishing touches. This is what makes a nice piece of furniture and a really nice piece of furniture. Still had a little bit of glue that I had to use my scraper on. So just a little bit of meticulous type work. Here's I'm starting to make the little button at the bottom of the seat. Didn't really want to just have the whole exposed that was on the worm screw. So this is very much like turning a top. And so I took one of my top blanks, a little piece of maple, and here I'm just rounding it off with a 1-inch spindle roughing gouge. I love the automatic brake feature on my Nova Galaxy. And that's really nice to slow that thing down. Here I'm just using a 1/2-inch bowl gouge and making kind of a point on the end of this. Now I'm using a little knurling tool to put a pattern on. This is a Swerby knurling tool. So I got this nice little spiral effect now. And to jazz it up a little bit more, I'm going to put some color on it. So I like some of these hot colors using yellow, orange, and red. And then I put a little V-groove in there and put some black magic marker in just to separate the colors. And that'll look fine. This is a little bit toned on the inside to match the profile of the bottom of the seat. Here I'm just putting a little bit more red on the outside of the button. Here I'm using my parting tool. I'm making a small tenon that's 1/2 inch in diameter to match the hole at the bottom of the seat. Okay, it's finally ready to put some oil finish on it. This is the first time using water locks. I've seen this used many times from the guys at the Woodturners Club. And this is certainly a simple finish and it comes out really nice. This is easy to apply, easy to repair. Maybe 10 minutes doing this part of the project. So yeah, now I'm coming down home stretch. I got a big smile on my face, wrapping up another project. Love when this happens. As you guys know, this is what I call the money shot when you're putting on the finish. Just pops the grain and really brings the project to life. So overall, very happy with this project. Like I said at the beginning on the earlier episode, I did the several three-legged stools and I wanted to increase the complexity level. And this was a nice little challenge. So actually has a total of what, 4 legs, 8 rungs, and a seat. So that's 13 pieces plus the button is 14 pieces. All turned, came out very nice, and I hope you liked watching it today. So here's a final few pan shots. And hey, you guys know what to do. If you like my channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. And tell your friends about me. I'd love to get some new subscribers. So until next time, I'll see you on another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Bye-bye.